Hello everyone, welcome to NBM tutorial. Today, we're going to discuss common electrical tools and equipments. This lesson is intended for both junior and senior high school students taking up electrical installation and maintenance. So, listen carefully and I will discuss the lesson. Let us now first have the definition of terms. What is a tool? A tool is an object used to extend the ability of an individual to modify features of the surrounding environment. It is a device or implement, especially one held in the hand, used to carry out a particular function. Number 2, equipment. It refers to a set of tools or other objects commonly used to achieve a particular objective. Different jobs require different kinds of equipment. Maintenance. It involves functional checks, servicing, repairing, or replacing of necessary devices, equipments, machineries, building infrastructure, and supporting utilities in industrial, business, governmental, and residential installation. Those are the three important words that we have to understand. So let me repeat. We have the tool, equipment, and maintenance. As we go on with the discussion, you will have a much clearer understanding of the three terms defined. Because for now, we're going to discuss the proper care and maintenance of tools and equipments. Let us first have the hand tools. Hand tools should be clean, inspect, and cared for. So, we need to give extra care to our hand tools. Then, number 2, store tools properly. We have to give care, we have to store tools properly because tools or hand tools are our partners as we perform our task in electrical installation and maintenance. Also, it is due to some other subjects or some other aspects of technology and livelihood education. Because we always use hand tools. So we have to give care and store tools properly. Now for the equipments. Equipments should be given the following. Keep power tools clean. Store power tools correctly. Inspect for wear or damage. Lubricate moving parts. Keep batteries in shape. Keep power tools clean. We have to clean our power tools because, as I was saying, it is our partner as we perform tasks. And cleaning our power tools or equipment is very good. Store power tools correctly. We have to store power tools in its place, preferably in its box. Inspect for wear or damage. It is good enough for us as user of the power tools to inspect every time we use it because we are the one who can observe whether if there is damage or not. Lubricate moving parts. We have to lubricate moving parts of the power tools we are using. Just like the appliances, we always see to it that we are having the preventive maintenance. Lubricating is but just consider as having our preventive maintenance with our partner. Keep batteries in shape. Keeping batteries in shape will give us good time in working with our power tools if it is a battery operated power tool. Next, electrical tools and equipments. Electrical tasks can be accomplished systematically to save time, effort, and resources. Most of the work cannot be done using bare hands. To do the task, electrical tools or equipments are needed to perform the job. In this lesson, we will discuss the function and use of each tool or equipment for electrical wiring installation. The following are the common electrical tools and equipments that we are using in electrical installation and maintenance. 1. Screwdriver. These tools are made of steel, hardened and tempered at the tip, used to loosen or tighten screws with slotted heads. They come in various sizes and shapes. Screwdrivers has 4 kinds. 1. Standard screwdriver. The blade of this type of screwdriver is wedge-shaped and resembles a negative sign. This is used to drive screws with a single slot head. This is also called as the negative screwdriver. Number 2, Phillips screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver has a cross tip resembling a positive sign. This is used to drive screws with cross slot heads. Phillips screwdriver is also called as the positive screwdriver. Next is the stubby screwdriver. It comes in either standard or Phillips screwdriver with short shank or blade and a shorted handle used to turn screw in tight space where standard screwdriver cannot be used. Last one is the Allen screwdriver or the Allen wrench. This could be in the shape of a screwdriver or a wrench. Its function is to drive and loosen screw with hexagonal slot head. Let us have hammers. These are tools used in driving, pounding, and pulling out nails. They are made of hard steel, wood, plastic, or rubber. There are 3 kinds of hammer. 1. Claw hammer. 2. Ball peen hammer. And 3. Mallet. Let us first have claw hammer. A claw hammer is a type of hammer used mainly for pounding nails into or extracting nails from wood. Claw hammers usually weigh in the range of 16 to 25 ounces. A curved claw hammer has a head that curves down and splits in the middle, forming a V shape. Ball peen hammer. A ball peen hammer is also known as the machinist hammer. This is a type of peening hammer used in metalworking. It has 2 heads. One is flat and the other is rounded. That's why it is called as peen. Next, we have mallet. There are kinds of mallet. A mallet is a kind of hammer often made of rubber or sometimes wood and plastic. This is smaller than a maul or beetle and usually has a relatively large head. There are three kinds of mallet. We have the wooden mallet, the plastic mallet, and the rubber mallet. Next is pliers. These are from metals, or these are made from metals with insulators in the handle and are used for cutting, twisting, bending, holding, and gripping wires and cables. We have combination pliers, which is also called as lineman's pliers. This is used for gripping, holding, and cutting electrical wires and cables and even small nails. They are usually used by linemen in doing heavy tasks. Side cutting pliers, also called as cutter. This type of pliers is used for cutting fine, medium, and big wires and cables. Long nose pliers. This is used for cutting and holding fine wires. This can reach tight space or small opening where other pliers cannot reach, and also used in making terminal loops of copper wires. Slip joint pliers. This is a kind of plier with a slot on one jaw through which the other jaw slides, permitting an adjustable span. It is used for mechanical purposes such as dismantling electric motor and etc. We have wire stripper. This is a tool used for removing insulation of medium-sized wires ranging from gauge 10 to gauge 16. Electrician's knife. This is used by linemen to remove insulation of wire and cables in low and high voltage transmission lines. Next is the portable electric drill. This is a small drilling machine with a chuck capacity of 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch. It is used in making holes on metal and concrete walls. Next is the portable electric grinder. This is also called as an angle grinder, side grinder, or disc grinder. It is a handheld power tool used for grinding and or cutting and polishing. Angle grinders can be powered by an electric motor, petrol engine, or compressed air. Next is hacksaw. A hacksaw is a pine-tooth saw, originally and mainly made for cutting metals. The equivalent saw for cutting wood is usually called as bow saw. Most hacksaws are hand saws with C-shaped walking frame that holds the blade under tension. That's all for today. Thank you very much, and do not forget to subscribe and click the notification button of my channel.